That's my antenna on the floor. Stick around to find out what happened.
It's Golf 5 Sierra Tango uniform, listening for any calls.
I think you're on a hill somewhere. I wonder if the hill has a name.
This is Golf 5 Sierra Tango uniform portable, listening.
2 echoes, Info, Foxtrot Mike India.
5-9 into the south coast of the UK, over.
Roger, Stuart, you're also 5-9 up here into Manchester.
So a few weeks ago I decided to buy the Sidewinder and military whip combination. The plan was to test this on my balcony, which is 4 stories high. Up until this point I'd been using a MAT 40 tuner in my attic with 12 meters of wire attached. This worked fantastically on 20 meters, 17, 15, but as soon as we moved to 40 or 80, performance was degraded. For those bands I also put a full length 39 meter end-fed half wave in my attic, supplied by UK Antennas. While this is a fantastic product, it certainly wasn't designed to be put in an attic. Due to the limited size of the attic, the end-fed half wave was wrapped back on itself about 2 times. You'd be forgiven for thinking that I'd actually had a cobweb in the attic, which of course it isn't. The end-fed half wave did tune and I was able to use it on 80 meters, but it was certainly compromised and it did pick up a lot of noise. The same can be said for the MAT 40 tuner. While it was fantastic on 20 meters, other bands were just picking up too much noise from the household electrics and surrounding buildings. I decided to buy the Sidewinder and military whip together with the 90-degree bracket designed for mounting it on the pole. However, rather than mounting on a pole, I mounted it on my balcony. Of course, there's no radials, so I wasn't expecting anything too fantastic. However, to my surprise, the receive was actually pretty good. The next step was to buy something slightly longer, so I then went to Moonraker and purchased a HF 360 antenna. This is a fiberglass pole, roughly 6 to 7 meters in length. I attached that to the balcony and I was absolutely amazed with the receive sensitivity. I was receiving signals on 40 and 80 meters that I simply couldn't hear before. The noise level was down to 5 from around about a 9. I was actually very happy. However, I was fully aware that transmit was very compromised due to the lack of radials. I purchased the Plus kit, which is designed to give you radials. It just didn't work. The main reason for purchasing the Sidewinder was to give me access to more bands while out mobile. I previously had an Ampro 20 and an Ampro 40 just connected to a bog standard 3/8 mag mount. This actually worked very well. The tune was great and I had no problems. The only limitation was I couldn't get on any bands except for 40 and 20. Enter the Sidewinder. And I must say, after watching all of the propaganda online, it is true. It is an absolutely fantastic product. It tunes, it's robust, it's made of decent quality materials, and it's clearly going to last. So this weekend we've obviously had high winds, Storm Irma or whatever it's been called. However, that wasn't going to stop me from playing radio. I went out and parked on the Purbeck Hills a few times this weekend and put up the military whip and Sidewinder on a single mag mount. Obviously that was foolish in the wind and it clearly wasn't going to end well. Others have said I should have got a triple mag mount, and of course they're right. I don't want to be dealing with a triple mag mount. A single mag mount, it's easy to store in the car. It doesn't take up too much room and it's not much bother to put on. I can park up, erect the antenna in a few seconds without any problems. So today I decided to head down to my usual DXing spot by the seaside in Poole and see just how much wind this single mag mount Sidewinder and military whip could take. Now, according to the iPhone weather app, the wind was at 30 miles an hour, but I can assure you on the open sea it was certainly more than that, especially in gusts. I put the mag mount up with the Sidewinder and mill whip and it clearly didn't like the wind. However, I'd convinced myself that it wasn't going to blow off because I'd actually had it erected in the wind a few times previously this weekend. I started calling on 40 meters and after 4 contacts ranging from the south of France to the middle of Ireland to the north of Scotland, I then had another station calling in. I was struggling to take his call sign. The next thing I know, there's a loud bang on the roof and in the corner of my eye I see the antenna flying off across the car park. I looked out of the passenger side window and noticed that the antenna itself was actually fine, the coil was fine, the mag mount was fine. The only thing that had gone wrong was the actual coax feeding into the mag mount had pulled out, which to be fair I can't complain about. A nice simple fix. The point of making this video is to show you that the military whip and slide winder combo can actually deal with a lot more wind than what people may have you believe. I've heard people say you shouldn't have it up in more than 5 or 10 mile an hour winds, and frankly I think that's playing it safe. Now the question is, if the mag mount was a triple mag mount and not a single, and it was able to take the force, would the antenna or the slide winder have actually broken? Frankly, I think not. So there we go guys, if you're heading out to do some mobile operations, don't worry about the wind too much. As long as you've got a good mag mount, your slide winder and your military whip combination isn't going anywhere. Probably. So here we go, here's some clips of the contacts I made while out mobile this weekend.
CQ40 meters, Golf 5, Sierra Tango United mobile listening for any calls.
Golf 5, Sierra Tango United is that the call? Foxtrot G0BA in Bordeaux, how do you copy over?
Yeah, a few called then at the same time, so that last station there, go again.
Yeah, Foxtrot Stroke, Golf 0 Bravo Echo Alpha, her name is Phil, Papa, Hotel India Lima, QSL?
Yeah, QSL Phil, Fox/Golf 0 Bravo Echo Alpha, operator Phil. This is Golf 5, Sugar Tango uniform. Currently static mobile, Paul in Dorset on the south coast of the UK there. A strong signal from yourself. I'll check the meter on the next over. I wonder what my signal report to you is there, Phil, over.
Yeah, Roger. Missed your name, actually. What's your name, over?
Yeah, name is Stu. Sierra Tango uniform, over.
Oh, okay, Stu, yeah, Roger. You're 5 and 8 with me. 58 into... well, sometimes it's sunny, Bordeaux, but it seems to be changing all the time today. Sunshine, clouds, so that's reasonably warm though, about 18 degrees Celsius today, so I shouldn't be in this shack really, but I am. Nothing else to do on a Sunday, Stu. I say, you got my name, Phil, yeah, and you got the call time right. Yeah, you still live at Heathrow Airport, hence the call, Go British European Airways, from many years ago, Stu, but you're improved. Oh, a long time since I've been there. I used to go there quite often in the, years and years ago, we used to take my daughter to the sandy beaches and anyway, yeah, back to you, hope you're copying okay. G5STU, Foxtrot G0BEA.
Foxtrot G0BEA, Golf 5 Sugar Tango uniform mobile returning. Yeah, all received very strong signal actually. You were 5 and 9 plus throughout that last over. I'm fairly sure we have spoken before, but I don't have my log because I'm out mobile at the moment, obviously. But I certainly does ring a bell, the call sign. Yeah, well, if I disappear, it'll be because the mag mount antenna has blown off the roof. We've got very strong winds here at the moment. Coming off of the sea at 30 mile an hour plus winds at the moment. I'm running a slide winder antenna with a military whip on the top, and it really is bent over like a banana and it's on a single mag mount, so I'm surprised it's not blown off yet, but it seems to be doing quite well actually. I've only just arrived. I've been visiting family all afternoon, well I say all afternoon, for the last few hours, and I've just parked up and I thought I'd try and put a few calls out, so I'm glad you come back to the call there, Phil. Yeah, I was watching, I don't know if you've seen some of the videos of the planes trying to land at Heathrow. There's a channel on YouTube that streamed a load of it on Friday. Wouldn't want to be on those planes, Phil, over.
Yeah, you know what you mean, Stu, yeah, I must admit, yeah. I used to live in West Drayton, and I used to pass an old Dakota pipe on a bit of tarmac many years ago, and it was a British European Airways twin-engine Dakota, and I thought, okay, so I waited for that. I probably should have been a G4, but I waited for the call sign. And I must admit, in the early days, in the 80s, it got me a lot of worldwide contacts. Go British European Airways, I must admit, and In the end, I retired in probably 2001, and then I got fed up with the UK and I moved to France really. Because I live in a static mobile, I can't get a pinch call sign. So one of them things, mate, is one of them things, but I just plod on, mate. I don't interfere with anybody, I live in the middle of nowhere. I could do with halting my antennas a bit, but there you go. But the 40 metre dipole seems to work rather well all over the world, so it's not too bad as Stu. Anyway, I'll let you go on, mate. Enjoy your Sunday by the coast. Hope you don't get blown away. G5STU mobile. Foxtrot G0BEA.
Foxtrot G0BEA, Golf 5 Sugar Tango Uniform Mobile. Yeah, no, all received, Phil. Well, hopefully I'll be here for a little while, as long as the antenna will take it. That's for sure. Yeah, we've definitely spoken before, because I remember you telling me about the call sign. Actually, it was a few months back now. But yeah, I do remember speaking to you, Phil. So thanks for coming back to the call. Obviously someone else had the frequency and then went QRT, so I thought I'd jump in there a bit quick, because it can be a bit hard to find an empty frequency on the band at the moment. So yeah, thanks for coming back to the call there, Phil. I'll say 73's Fox/G0 Bravo Echo Alpha from Golf 5 Sugar Tango Uniform Mobile 73.
Yeah, 73, Stu, been a pleasure, mate. Stay safe, mate. Take care. Bye-bye for now.
73's QRZ, any stations, Sugar Tango Uniform Mobile listening? I heard it ending Oscar Charlie Radio in the noise again. Yeah, the mobile station, I've got you in the noise. Can you just go with the prefix, the full call sign, just repeat it twice slowly, please?
Radio, Golf Mike 1 Oscar Charlie Radio, QSL.
Golf Mike 1 Oscar Charlie Radio. You came right up with that last over. I've also switched on the noise reduction as well. Golf Mike number 1 Oscar Charlie Radio, I think you said /mobile. You came up to a signal 5 on the last over. This is Golf 5 Sugar Tango Uniform Mobile, south coast of the UK next to the sea. Operator name is Stu. Sierra Tango Uniform, over.
Okay, Stu, name this end is Neil, November Echo India Lima. I'm also next to the sea in Oban on the west coast of Scotland. Signal report for you, 5 and 5 for the QSB on it, over.
Yeah, received on the 5 and 5 and the QTH. Fantastic signal at the moment. I think the noise reduction on the ASU 891 this end is doing its job. Running 100 watts into a slide winder antenna with a mill whip on the roof of the truck. I wonder what your conditions are there, mobile, over.
Yeah, I'm running it as G90, but 20 watts into a 40 mobile antenna.
Golf Mike 1 Oscar Charlie Radio. I've lost you, Neil, with the QSB. You faded away into the noise. You said you were running a G90. I think, is it 20 watts on the G90, I believe. So yeah, you were doing very well there for a little while. So I'll say 73s for now, because I think I've lost you to the QSB. And thanks for calling in, Neil. You're in the log. 73.
73, Stuart, all the best from Golf Mike 1 Oscar Charlie Radio, straight mobile.
Yep, 73s, Neil, thanks. CQ 40 metres, Germany 5, Sierra Tango United Mobile on the south coast of the UK, listening for any stations.
Echo India 4, Golf Bravo.
Echo India 4, Golf Bravo, just getting that into the log. Echo India 4, Golf Bravo, strong signal. Operator name this way is Stuart. I'll check the meter on the next over.
Okay there, Stuart. Apologies there, I just don't have your call saying there at the minute. I was just clicking down and I happened to hear a mobile station calling and it says it's playing shout back. So the name on this end is the 1 Oscar Whiskey Echo November and located in the centre of Ireland, in the Midlands of Ireland, near a town called Mullingar in County Westmeath. And just running about 100 watts into a ZS6 BKW dipole. Back to you, Stuart.
Yeah, all received. 5 and 9 you are, 5 and 9, good strong signal. There is a little bit of QSB on the band, so you might fade away on me, but hopefully your 100 watts will keep you going. Yeah, I'm running a slide winder antenna mag mount with a military whip from UK. No, who's it from? M1 ECC antennas, I think it is. They seem to be selling quite a lot of them at the moment, and I can see why, because they're a fantastic bit of kit. And they can certainly deal with a lot more wind than what people are saying on YouTube so far. Operator name this way is Stuart. The call sign was Germany number 5 Sierra Tango Uniform. Stu, and that's the name. Over.
Golf 5 Sierra Tango Uniform from Echo India 4 Golf Bravo. Okay there, Stuart. Well, look at the side reader is putting out a fine signal there. You're 5 and 9 with me there at the minute. A little bit of QSB, and I know there is a lot of QSB on the band there. The band seemed fairly quiet, but we had a news reading there this morning, and a lot of QSB, rapid QSB, you know. Some signals were good from the UK, and others quite poor there. But anyway, you put out a fine signal there, Stuart. 5 and 9 average there with me at the minute. Back to you from Echo India 4 Golf Bravo.
EI4 Golf Bravo G5STU mobile returning. Yeah, no, the slide winder's doing well. 100 watts out of the Yaesu 891 here mobile, obviously. So yeah, you're doing well. Nice to get you in the log, Owen. Thanks for calling in. And yeah, I'll say 7 threes and see who else we can pull in out of the wind. Over.
Golf 5 Sierra Tango Uniform, Echo India 4 Golf Bravo. Okay there, Stuart. Well, look at you. Best of luck with it there. You've put out a fine signal there, so definitely do put out a few calls there. The band isn't dead. There's just a lot of QSB there. But anyway, good to work you there, and have fun with the mobile setup there. So all the best, Stuart, and 73s from Echo India 4 Golf Bravo. Take care, 73.
Yeah, thanks very much, Owen, and 7 threes, my friend. This is Golf 5 Sugar Tango Uniform Mobile, listening for any calls. Ending Tango again. Yeah, I've got you with noise. I've got the Tango. Can you just go again? Oh, the antenna's just blown off. Oh, dearie me. Did you hear it go bang? Yeah, my aerial's just blown off and the coax is ripped out of the mag mount, so that's me done for the day.
Damn, right in the middle of a contact as well, that was really good.
I know, I was actually doing alright then. I was getting a few people coming back, so a bit annoying.
Yeah, oh, you've proven a point with my antenna though. I've got direct line of sight of you and I'm picking you up loud and clear, but I've got not even a trace of anyone else you were receiving.
No. Yeah, well, I think, I don't know, it's, obviously I got into Ireland strong, south of France. Was there, I think there was a Scottish guy as well.
Yes, that's near close to Scotland, I think they said.
Yeah, so probably, if I'd have kept going, I probably would have got quite a few in the log over the next hour or so, because obviously it builds up momentum once you get going. But yeah. Never mind, that's me done for the day. Oh well.
You destroyed the coax, so you're going to have to rewire it.
Well, I'm trying to look out the window. All I can see is the antenna halfway across the car park, and the coax isn't connected to it.
Oh
no! but at least it hasn't broken. It's perfectly fine. It's just the coax is pulled out, so that's a bonus. Right, yeah. I'm going to go and collect my antenna and go home and fix it. So cheers for listening anyway.
Yeah, thank you for doing it. I'm glad I was able to receive it.
Awesome. Right, catch you later, Alex.
See you soon, bye.
If you were one of the people that I spoke to, thanks for calling in. I haven't included everybody in this video, but there's a few clips on Instagram. Just search for G5STU and you'll find some clips. I actually made some good contacts into the States and into Australia. All in all, it's been a fantastic weekend on the radio. Here's to the next one. Thanks for watching. 73.
It's Golf 5 Sierra Tango Uniform, listening for any calls.
I think you're on a hill somewhere. I wonder if the hill has a name.
This is Golf 5 Sierra Tango Uniform Portable, listening.
2 echoes in North Foxtrot Mike India.
5-9 into the south coast of the UK, over.
Roger, Stuart, you're also 5-9 up here into Manchester.